Hello guys, welcome to Chiomas kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook Nigerian okra soup with spinach served with Semo. Let's get started. Before we start, like my video, share my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload my video. Let me introduce you guys to the ingredients we are using today. Today's protein is goat meat, shaki, and chicken, fish, mangala fish, and stockfish, okra, mushroom. This mushroom is optional. Many people use okpe, but I don't have okpe. I decide to use mushroom. This is the mixed up, the spinach, frozen spinach, the oil, the chicken, the meat spice, crayfish, salt, chopped onions. Let's get started. Let's move to the gas cooker. We pour in our oil first. Our cooking oil, Nigerian cooking oil, red oil. We allow it to heat for 2 to 3 minutes. We put in our chopped onions. We turn. Then the onions is the thing. We've allowed the onions to saute. Then we put our mushroom. This, as I told you, this mushroom is optional and is very, I will tell you the health benefit. It is rich in vitamin. The health benefit of this mushroom is too much. Okra soup, this okra too has a health benefit. This health benefit, you will see everything in my description box, but I will tell you little of it. Okra is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, fiber, and is vegetable. Likewise, the mushroom I'm using, I put my fish, my mangala fish, into it because it's a big part, well cooked before, and my stockfish. I put my meat stock. Allow to cook. Yes. I cover to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. As our mushroom, the stock, the fish and stockfish is on the fire, we blend our okra little to get a slime for the soup. It serves as binder and it will draw well. That is it. You blend. As we are blending it now, our slime is ready now. Wow, our slime is ready. This pot, you can see is boiling. Hi. You put in your slime into the fire, to the pot. You make sure everything inside the blender is out. As I told you, this serves as, this will make the okra to draw well. You see? This soup is fast and easy to prepare. If I'm lazy, I don't want to cook too much, I don't want to start cooking a lot of this thing, I just prepare this okra soup for my family to eat. You can see how the slime is inside the soup. Many people don't like mushroom in their soup, but I like mushroom. It's just like the way people put okpe, put locust beans. I don't like locust beans. I don't like okpe. I put mushroom to my okra soup. You can see this face. Wow, Chiomas kitchen. This okra will make sense. So with semo, it will go in. I will teach you people how to make the semo that we use to eat this soup. Wonderful. I check for salt. Everything is okay. Wonderful. I like to cook for another 5 minutes. Wow, this is lovely. You can see. I'll put my crayfish. I'll put my spice. I'll put my okra, the remaining okra. As you put the okra, you will not let it to done. You add your spinach, your vegetable, which is the spinach that we are using. You can see how the okra came out. Wow, Nigerian okra. Chiomas kitchen with her wahala. I can't wait to eat this soup with my semo. I'm going to turn. Yeah, this okra soup came out where you put your vegetable and you turn. I add all my spice. You can see the soup is ready. Chiomas kitchen. You don't allow the vegetable to overdone. Everything is okay. You can see how the spinach came out in the okra. It's very lovely with this mushroom. Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. I can't wait to eat this soup. As I'm showing you, like my video, share, subscribe, always hit to the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload my video. Our soup is ready, so I will show you people how to turn the semo now. As you can see, our water is boiling. I had to remove a little from it, lower my gas, and prepare the semo. You put, as I'm putting, I'm turning, I'm putting, I'm turning, I'm putting, I'm turning. Yes, it's okay. This semo is for 2 people. You can see. You see, our semo is ready. I'll finish turning it. I can't wait to eat the soup with this semo. We'll now move on to where I will teach you people how to wrap your semo. Now I turn off my gas. From this way. As you can see, I've put my semo on my parchment. I cover like this to make it like this. I hope you guys are watching me. You see what I'm doing now? Yeah. You can see what I'm doing. I finished doing it. Now it's time for me to shape it where before I start rolling. I roll it like this. I roll. Wow. Then I collect the plate I will use to dish it. It's ready. You see, very easy to wrap like this. I hope you guys will benefit from it. Chiomas kitchen is ready to teach you people a lot of things. This one is not to use what silly paper to waterproof to start rolling. I just mold this like this. You see my semo, very lovely. So I will now scoop my soup to it. Yes, you can see our soup is ready. Our semo and this, our semo and okra soup. Chiomas kitchen, lovely kitchen. You know, I can't wait to test it. I will test it, guys. Hey, who cook go eat? Oh, this one na licking finger. Chiomas kitchen with her wahala. Licking hand, licking finger. This is lovely. Chiomas kitchen. Let me eat. As I told you, this okra soup is very rich in vitamin C, K, and magnesium. You will see the health benefit in my description box. I hope you guys benefit from it. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always hit the notification bell to get more videos. Okay? Love you guys. Chiomas kitchen. Love the kitchen. Bye.